The reason I'm so passionate about what I do stems from when I was younger. My parents immigrated to the United States from India, and my dad's dream was to have his own business one day. So he took his life savings and he moved my whole family from New York down to Florida, and he and my mom were working 60, 70 hours a week. And during that time, I spent a lot of time with my grandmother because I barely saw my parents. And after him and my mom working 70, 80-hour weeks for 2 years, the Florida Taxing Authority came knocking and told him that he owed over $200,000 in unpaid sales taxes. So my dad said, look, that can't be right. That's some kind of mistake. I said, there's no mistake. You owe this money. My dad said, look, there's no way we owe this money because we don't even make that kind of money, and I've paid my sales taxes. Here's what my dad didn't know. The guy who owned the business before him hadn't paid his sales taxes. So when my dad bought the entity, meaning the company that owned the store, he bought all those tax liabilities with it, and he just didn't know about it. And the taxing authority, they didn't care. They said, look, you own the entity, you own the company that owns the store. So the way we see it, you owe the taxes. So you can either 1, pay us what you owe, or 2, shut down the business. My dad made the tough decision of shutting down his business. The business he had invested his life savings into, the business he had spent years building with my mom. It just evaporated overnight because of something somebody else did. That's why I got into this business. I wanted to be able to help business owners and prevent this from happening to other people. And I have helped hundreds of businesses with all kinds of disputes. We've helped family businesses that were going to go bankrupt because of a potential lawsuit, and instead we were able to save their business and save their personal assets. And this type of story happens over and over again. We've got testimonials from business owners talking about this, and that is what I love about what I do, is helping business owners, helping people, saving families, and knowing that what we do makes a difference.